what you're gonna do now is show this place. We've finished facing. We've just finished facing. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna cut this drawing here on that block, this square. We're gonna contour. We're gonna do contouring for this shape here. Okay. So what are you gonna do? We've already offsetted our job. So let's go to FDA. Reset machine. So what we're gonna do is this. Okay. We're gonna press reset first, and then after press reset, we're gonna offset, press offset, because what we only need to offset now to get our contouring, it's Z. So we're gonna only change the value of Z. So we come back here. I already changed the data then, and then so it's 117.965. I just change only Z. You can see here Z only changing. Okay, when I press input, okay, everything still remains the same. The X remains the same, Y remains the same. Okay, but I only change my Z. And then putting my input. Right now I'm gonna go to program manager. I'm gonna press the program manager. Yeah. Okay. And then I'm going to write part. I'm gonna press part program. Yeah. Okay. And then I'm gonna press new. Then I'm gonna write my name there. Delete this one. I'm gonna write my name is Kamtor, so I'm just gonna put K and then shift. And then where's A? Where's A? Where's A? Here. Okay. Right, Kamtoro M U. Okay. Kamtoro T, then O, Ara, where is Ara? O, okay, that's my name there, okay? And then I press input, just check it out. So after this, look at me. After you press input, then this screen shows up. You see here, start showing you with the name that you have saved. I saved Kamtoro, right? And then this screen shows up. And then you start writing your program. Okay, so I'm going to write my program now for that one. Let me check on my drawing where I've already written my program. So I'm going to write G71 for metric use, and then G90 in one block, right? And then I write my 2. Then I press input. Then I write my 2 T1 input. Then I write my 2 change L90 because you're on the milling machine, Siemens L90. I write my input and I put my G00. I put my G00. The same line G40.
G40.
Yeah, G40, man. G40.
The engineering G40, not
yes.
G40.
Oh, not the ZRP of G40. I'm
don't
talking about
that
engineering G40. Engineering GV4. And then I write my X. I put my X negative A. And then I put my negative A. What I'm gonna do now, Y0. I put my Y0. Then in that same line again, I'm just gonna continue. I put my M003. A is for speed. I'm just gonna select something like 1200. Okay. Then my block is finished. Okay, G00, G40, G54, X minus, then Y0, M0, that's that. And then I press input, and I jot I want my spindle to go 5 millimeters above the job, so I put Z5 and I press input. Okay, right now I'm machining aluminum, so I don't need coolant, so I'm gonna jump M07. So I'm just gonna go to G01, start cutting G01. Okay, my G01 Z, and take my depth of cut. Go to G01 Z negative. I'm now coming into the material with my feet. Spindle goes down 2 mils. Okay, so I'm just gonna Z -2, and then I put my feed. I press F for my feed rate. I put my feed rate at 150, and then that's it. Done. Okay. Right. So my X30. I put my X30. Then I put my input X30. I can change the feed rate and put it at F200 because I'm now cutting. Okay, and then I put my input, and then my F, I go to X30, and then I go to G02. I want to cut that curve, you know. G02, X45 in the same line, and then my Y0. Okay, then center of radius CR equals to 10, like that. Then I put my input on. You see that? Okay. Then I go to G01. I'm now cutting straight line, linear movements, linear motions. So G01, I cut that straight line. I put my G01 at 50. G01X. X057. X57. Now, alright, I'll delete that. That's the 57. Flip that. And then I put my input. I cut another radius. Now it's a counterclockwise, so I'm gonna put my G03 counterclockwise. X71, man. X71. X71. Then I put my Y. My Y value there, it's 14. Then my CR, percent of radius, CR equal to 10. Okay. Then I put my fucking input. Then I go for linear movements, linear motion, G01, Y44, Y44. Now put my input. And pause it. Then I go there to my G01 Y44. Then I want to cut a taper. I want to cut this taper here. Okay. So I'm just gonna take my X. I'm gonna put my X. My X now it's X57. And then in the same line with Y, Y76. Y76. That's it, right? And then I put my input After that, I put my X to run that straight thing. My X42. My X42. Can you pause it there? Let's check this one. So here now, I didn't put my compensation code G41 or G42. So what I've done, I'm gonna compensate for myself. I'm just gonna get to here. It was supposed to be 47. That now I'm gonna minus the radius of the two. I'm using a 10mm cutter, so I'm gonna minus 5. Then I get to 42. So I'm gonna put X42, X42, and then input. And then I go to G. I wanna cut this now. I wanna cut this thing. Okay. It's kind of clockwise when you're cutting it. Okay, so clockwise G02. So G02, it's my clockwise my clockwise radius direction. Then I put my X. My X now goes to 27. Then Y. No, Y. Then my Y becomes 76. Sorry, 76. And then my CR, center radius, equals to 9. Okay. So I'm gonna change this center of radius because on my drawing here it says radius, it's 9. So I'm just gonna change all those radius that I put 10 and put 9. Okay. Sorry for that, but still the program is still going smooth. And I put my input on it. I go next block. I put my G01 for linear motion. G01 X. Now I'm gonna move X only. X16. Okay, so that's it. X16. Then I put my input. Now I'm gonna cut this. Okay, I'm going to the negative side, so it's counterclockwise radius. I'm just gonna put the code G03. G03 X5, because I'm just gonna be left with this 5 here on top here. You see that 5? So I'm gonna cut there and stand and stop at 5 on X. So I'm gonna put my X5, and then after that I put my Y value. My Y by then it will be still it's gonna be 76 minus that. It's gonna be Y62. Okay, and then my CR, center radius, equal to 9. Input. All right, now go G01, cut that linear movement motion, cut this straight part here. I'm gonna go with my G01. Okay, G01 Y0. Okay, G01 Y0. Input. Right, and then that's the end of my program. I come just straight here, G01 Y0. Then I go to like X. I'm gonna put my X. I want the thing to stop while it's out of the job. I'm gonna put my X negative 10, and then input. Then I go to my program and start finishing it. Okay, I go to my end of the program. Then I go G00 to stop my program. G00, and then I go take Z up because I don't wanna loosen my job and take it off the machine while it's my Z is still sitting on the job. So I want my spindle to go up above the job with a certain height that can allow me to take off the job. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Z positive 250 so that it'll go up high from the job 250. Okay, so Z 2CV, end of my block. Next block, M30 to end of the program. M30, then input, my program is done, okay? And like this, my program is done, okay? Program is done. Pause it now. Pause it.